Hello YouTubers, this is the Ramen Raider, and today I'm going to be trying the beef Frito Burrito, and this is from Taco Bell. I'll remove my hat to do this video. So they have a cavalcade of burritos at Taco Bell, and I have had many of them in the past, including the chili cheese burrito, the enchilito, the burrito supreme, amongst others. This, as you can see, it's wrapped in a tortilla. I'm going to give it a try. It's about what it says it is. Very, very well ground beef with some slightly sogged out Fritos inside. It's a little on the dry side, but oh, I have a beverage that I got as well. This is the Taco Bell Mountain Dew Kickstart beverage. Give that a wash it down with that. Miles agrees. It's refreshing, however, has a slightly bitter aftertaste. I don't know if that's because it contains 10 times the amount of caffeine as usual. Here's a closer look at the innards of the burrito. Yeah. Well, this is rather okay. I might choose this item again. Mountain Dew is wonderful since I got maybe 2.5 hours of sleep last night. I'm starting to feel a little bit of zing. Yeah. I'd like to do a special shout out to fast food reviewer extraordinaire, Mr. The Fat Hipster, and fellow YouTubers do appreciate what you're doing. So yeah, I'm rather enjoying this burrito. All right. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Be a nice thing to do. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.